Did you know there's a phone in Japan that doesn't work, has never worked, and over 30,000 people have used it anyway? In 2011, the Tohoku tsunami killed nearly 20,000 people in a matter of hours. A man named Itaru Sasaki had already lost his cousin before that. He was grieving, he had things left to say, and he was worried his words would just disappear into the air. So he put an old rotary phone inside a glass booth on a windy hill in Yutsuchi and started talking. The phone is connected to nothing. It has always been connected to nothing. That is the whole point. Word spread with zero media push. People just told other people. Mothers came to talk to their children. Husbands came to talk to their wives. The conversations got recorded into a documentary and a novel. The booth is called the Wind Phone. It survived a second tsunami warning. It still has a caretaker. And here is the part that gets me. Nobody shows up expecting it to ring back. They just need somewhere to put the words.